Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural. Do you like my hair? I have got to tell you what I did to my hair, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to tell you, if you're looking for a style that has a lot of longevity and you are looking for something that you don't have to do much work to, this is the style right here. I did these pipe cleaner curls 2 weeks ago. So let me explain my process. So I washed my hair, I put my pipe cleaner curls in. I will link a separate video because I actually did pipe cleaner curls earlier in my lock journey, but what I didn't do, they didn't stay very long, so I tried a different method, and so I will be posting that video. So I want you to check out that video. I'll put it in the info card or the description box below. So if you like this content, also please like and subscribe. And so I figured I'd just post this video because I can't believe, I need to wash my hair, but I can't really believe how long these curls have lasted. These are pipe cleaner curls, you guys, and I'm in my second week of rocking them. Now I'm going to wash them very soon, but I could realistically keep them in all week. So I'll explain my process. First, I washed my hair, of course. Second, I rolled up the pipe cleaners and I did each lock individually in a pipe cleaner, and I rolled it and I kept the pipe cleaners in for 1 week. So if you're looking for a style, and I easily could have kept them in longer than a week themselves. So I kept the pipe cleaners in, and I'll insert a picture so you can see what it looked like when I had the pipe cleaners in my hair. And then I waited a week and I took the pipe cleaners out. And it started off as a very, very tight curl, but over the week or two, they have loosened up, but it still has lots of curl, you guys. So I wanted to show you that it still has lots of curls. So I did a week of it, and then this is my second week. So if you're looking for a style that's very long, that has a lot of longevity, this is the style for you, because it may even last longer. I'm about to wash my hair, so it may not last much longer, but if it does, if the curls still are there after I wash it, then I'm definitely going to come back on video and show you that. But this was something that maybe took me an hour and a half to roll it up, maybe an hour and a half to roll them up, and I did not sit under the dryer, so of course I'm going to leave that video in there so you can see that. But other than that, that's it, and it's lasted this long. So if you want a low maintenance style, low fuss, and just wake up out of the bed, basically I put my satin bonnet on at night. I spritz my hair with a little leave-in conditioner and oil just to keep it moisturized, and that's it. I wake up, pretty much shake my hair, and I'm out the door. So this, for you guys who are lazy naturals or lazy lock goddesses, this is a great style for you that you can easily keep and maintain. Okay, so until next time, stay wookie.